Hey, it's Charlene here, makeup artist and beauty guide for Limelight. And you might have received either a foundation or a foundation sample. I'm really happy and excited to share this amazing wax-based foundation with you. So I just wanted to show you how I actually use the foundation. So because it is a wax-based foundation, it is not going to go into your pores. It's going to sit on top of the skin, which is amazing for acne and making sure that your skin stays clear and awesome. It also is professional grade makeup, so it has 50% pigment, which means a little bit goes a long way, which I think can confuse people because they're so used to using products that actually you have to kind of like layer it on in order for it to work. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. So here is usually the foundation comes in a pan like so. Obviously mine is already used. If you're getting a sample, it's just a little tiny circle. What I would recommend first is your first time using it, or if you're a new makeup art, a novice to using makeup or foundation, what you want to do is kind of like warm the product a little bit, just rub a little bit. And I kind of go to the areas where I see discoloration first. So for me is underneath my eyes. I have some darkness a little bit underneath my eyes. I might do around my nose to cover up the redness. Did you see I have like a little bit of redness around my nose? And then I want to kind of go into like the cheeks, any markings that you may have on the skin. So I'm just gonna do one side of my face with my hands. So you can literally just go and use your fingers and remove any redness, any, like if you have acne, any acne stuff you may have. I usually get redness around my brows, my nose, and like you could do that. Literally, that could just be enough for you, depending on if you just notice a little bit how it is just more finished than the other side. So that's using your fingers. My preferred method is pull out my dense fluffy brush, something like this, something that's really dense, and I do a swirl in the pan, and then I buff, the skin with a brush. So that is the second method that you could use. The last method is using an actual sponge. I think a sponge, if you are more on the drier side, if you want more coverage, like if you're looking for that full coverage, you want to cover your acne, you want to cover any scars, any hyperpigmentation, I think a sponge will definitely do that. I think a brush is kind of like medium coverage, and then your fingers is more on the light side. So it depends on your preference. I think you can play around with this foundation, which is really great. That's why it's my favorite, because you can make it thick, you can layer it on. It feels like nothing is on your face, like skin, which is fantastic. Did you see how bright that looks, which is why I love it? You can also use your favorite tinted moisturizer right in the foundation. So if you really wanted to go light and you didn't want to use too much, you can squirt. Whoop. There we go. You can squirt a little bit of your moisturizer in there. Use your sponge, your brush, whatever you have, to make sure that you spread that product on, especially if you're on the drier side. This is super helpful to do that. So yeah, that's how you use the foundation, guys. Let me know if you have questions, but I just wanted to do a quick video. Peace. For more videos and lives, follow me on Facebook, Sharlene.jeanty.